Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Naveen. Friends, in this session, I am going to make a random story because if we wanted to improve our English, so then story making is a great effort. We can enhance our communication and even we can improve our English speaking. So here question is that how can we make a story? I will tell you, we can make a story in our mind, like we can make a story based on our imagination. And if you try to make a story, so it will be a very massive change to yourself, because when we want to create or make any story, so at the moment we must think how can we say that particular word or sentences. So here in front of all of you I will make a random story, and believe me, I didn't prepare that story. Right now I'm just going to make a random story. So actually there was two friends and their name was Mohan and Vijay. They are very laborious. Here laborious means parishrami या मेहनती. So everyone talked about them. Everyone said they are very true friend, and whenever they wanted to go anywhere, they go along with them. Actually, both of them are very studious and they also study very hard. Once Ravi and Ajay are going to school. When they are their way, at the moment rain was raining cats and dog. So here cats and dog means musladhar baris hona. So they went a hut and take the shelter. Here shelter means asrelna. Then when rain stopped, so they again continue to go to do their school. On the way there was a old woman who called them and said, please help me because I lost my money. So Mohan and Ajay, both of them helped that woman and tried to find her money. They searched a lot and eventually they found her money. Here eventually means antata. Then that woman blessed both of them, said, you both of them live long. After that, when they reached school, his teacher asked them, why both of you very late? Then Ajay and Mohan told whole incident. Then teacher said, you did a great work. Then both of them go in their class and sit down. And after that they study their whole period, and when they reached at home at noon time, so Mohan's mother said, Mohan, eat food and after that go in the forest and cut some wood, because we don't have wood to prepare food at night. Then Mohan take a axe and went to forest to cut the wood. When he was on the way, so at the moment again rain was falling cats and dog. After that, when rain stopped, he went to the forest and cut the wood. Then he met a hermit. Here hermit means sadhu. Then hermit asked Mohan, why are you cutting the wood? Then Mohan told a hermit, because we don't have wood. If I don't cut the wood, so at night we can't eat food, because my mother said go forest and cut the wood. Then hermit said, okay, you can cut the wood. Then he thought, what's a crucial thing in his life? So here, crucial means important, and both crucial and important means mahatvapurn. So Mohan was thinking, what's a crucial thing in his life? Then he asked to the hermit, please tell me what's a crucial thing in my life. Then hermit said, you are child, and in your age the most crucial thing is that you must study hard, and in this way you can make your future and you can get a job, and even you can live a good life. You can also buy a gas cylinder to your mom. You can also buy a gas cylinder to your mom. Then Mohan realized, yeah, it's true. After that, Mohan decided, I will study hard and I will get a job. Then I will build my house, and my mother will also cook food on the gas. So friends, in this way you can make a story through creation of your imagination. You can create a story in your mind, and believe me, it's a very fruitful step to making a story. It will improve you a lot and you feel very confident. So I would like to just request to all of you, try to make a story every day based on your imagination, or if you saw any incident, so try to just explain that incident in English in your own language. I hope you will like my videos, and if you have any suggestions, so please give me. Thank you so much for giving you your precious time.